Once upon a time, a shark got tired of hunting. So he grabbed a boat and went fishing like a human. Wait! This isn't the water park I signed up for. Cancel it.
Bro, really? I thought we were cool.
I swear I taste bad. I've been expired since Tuesday.
Subscribe, or I'll grill you next.